Hey traders, Marcello here, founder of the Day Trading Academy. Today we're going to be answering all your questions in this episode of Ask Marcello. Today we have, I'm sorry if I butcher your name, I think it's Zay. I know it's pronounced with an X instead of a K or a Z, but you'll have to forgive me. We're here in Medellin. This is where we have our trading center. Obviously, a question I always get is we do most of our training online. This is just a physical center for some of the traders down here in Latin America, even though some of you guys want to come and meet the locals. Inside joke.
Is there any app to simulate day trading to get used to trade without using real money? Or is there anything that can make people to be better prepared before starting the day trading?
Well, if you guys do have any questions, don't forget to mark them with Ask Marcello. I'll be happy to go ahead and pull all the questions for you. Also, if you want to see the responses to the questions or you want to keep learning of all these videos, don't forget to subscribe here on the channel. Obviously, I do these. I didn't have one for the last week or two, but obviously we have a few more questions now, and I'm not traveling as much, so I can get them all answered for you. So Zay, one of the misconceptions about learning how to trade is that you're going to start making money tomorrow. I think that a lot of people, and even the way the industry makes it look, is the only thing they show is the winning trades, not the losing trades. You know, I've done videos here on YouTube where I talk about $100,000 losses. I remember in the Iran oil situation, which I believe was 2014, I lost over $80,000 in the span of 12 minutes, something ridiculous. So nothing can prepare you for feeling that pain when you really lose. And the majority of people actually think that trading is technical, meaning that the majority of people think that they're going to buy some course and tomorrow they're going to make $1 million. And when they don't make $1 million and they say, well, that course didn't work, let me go buy another course because this course looks great. And then that course doesn't work, and then this course, and then that course. So they're always kind of looking for that holy grail indicator or that holy grail course that they need to buy because it's always better on the other side of the fence, right? The grass is always greener on the other side. When the reality of the situation is that trading is psychological. It's not technical. So I'll be the first to admit to you that I'm not the best trader in the world. I don't have the best strategy, even though I think the strategy that we do teach, which is called Congressive, is pretty good. Really, really good, actually, to be honest with you. More than anything, because I've seen, a lot of, I think the difference with what we do at the Day Trading Academy compared to other people is that, there's only one guy making money in a lot of these companies, right? The kind of guru guy that you're supposed to trade like. And what I've tried to do, and I've even had to sacrifice my own trading, now I'm doing more swing trading, longer term trading and investing, is seeing if other people can do it, right? And these are kind of people I call the master traders. And we've had a ton of people even down here in Latin America do very, very well. Obviously, there's some people that don't do well in full disclosure, right? I don't know the numbers of that. I haven't looked at that in a while, but I think it's important to understand, Zay, that just because you do well on sim, demo trading, right, like trading live but with fake money, doesn't mean you're going to do well on live money. And the reason why is because when you are learning how to trade and you trade on the simulator, you're not practicing your emotions, or you're not practicing the psychology aspect of it. When you go live for the first time, that's when you actually learn the psychology or start to learn how to manage your emotions. So most programs now, most platforms all have sim trading, so to speak, where you can literally practice like dummy trading, where it's like Monopoly, right? You're trading live, but it's kind of paper money or fake money. And then when you have the consistency on sim, that's when you should look at trading live. So those are the things that I can actually recommend to you. I think your direct question, Zay, was if you could literally do that, and yes, everybody should do that. And I don't recommend anybody go live unless they have the consistency on sim or demo. And then obviously after that you can go live, and most of the time when you go live the results drop because they're not going to be the same as sim money, because obviously you can't lose your money in sim money, if you know what I mean. So That was a good question, Zay. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. Don't forget to leave the hashtag Ask Marcello, and I'll be happy to help you pull all of those.